welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasmin and I make DIY, home decor, and organization videos every single week. With spring right around the corner, I wanted to start deep cleaning and spring cleaning the house so it's nice and fresh. I also like to declutter and organize around this time of year, and I wanted to share my process with you guys to give you the motivation to tackle cleaning your own space. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, for the spring cleaning, I want to start in the kitchen and really focus on deep cleaning it. It's been a while since it has been deep cleaned, so I want to go in and clean out the appliances, like inside the microwave and the fridge and everything, and wiping all the counters and the cabinets and all that. I'm not going to worry about the oven and the stovetop because we're actually getting a new one in a couple of days, but everything else in the kitchen I want to go in and really like get in there and deep clean it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I just finished cleaning the microwave and the whole inside and everything. It's all nice and clean now. I cleaned this toaster oven and all the counters, and I wiped down all the cabinets in the top and bottom row here all the way to this side. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the fridge. I'm gonna take everything out, kind of wipe the shelves, and you know, kind of just like clean it. And another project that I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna empty out these spices. We got this from Costco. It's been a couple of years, so they're really not really good anymore. And Steven doesn't use these for cooking, so I'm gonna like empty these out and like wash them really good. And I'm actually going to put the spices that he uses like all the time in these, so it's more accessible than where they are in this cabinet right now. And I have a label maker, so I can go ahead and like relabel everything, so that's kind of going to be part of the project this time around. partially finished with the fridge. I still have to go through everything that's in the door and possibly get rid of anything that might be expired. But over on this side, everything has been cleaned and organized all nice and neatly. So it looks really good in here. So I still have the door, and then I'm gonna quickly clean and just like reorganize everything that's in the freezer. So I mean it's pretty good. I'm just gonna like clean everything out real quick. But yeah, that's the progress so far. Now that the fridge is done, I'm gonna go ahead and empty out these spices and put them in the dishwasher so they can get clean really good, so then I can fill them with their current spices and just like relabel everything. And then also I got these off of Amazon, these stove counter gap covers. Our new stove actually came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these basically between the counter and the stove, so like all the food crumbs don't go down and it gets all nasty. So that's gonna be really nice, so I'm gonna test that out. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Have all been washed now. I actually went ahead and soaked them in hot water and some dish soap and then hand washed them really good. I don't know what I was thinking when I said I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. They were gonna just like fall over the place. So I'm just gonna let them air dry a little bit, and then I will ask Steven which spices he wants to have like more handy, and then we're gonna like fill them up and relabel the lids, and it should be pretty fun. It's a fun project. Little update, guys. So we went ahead and raised the stove, but it only comes up so much, and in order to like use this like gap filler, it basically has to like sit like this between like the countertop and the stove. And since ours this is like the max that it can come up, basically Steven came up with the idea to cut it, and we just basically like have pushed it in. And honestly, I kind of like this look better than if it was actually like this way, because you can still see like this extra flap on the counter. This kind of just looks a little bit cleaner, and it's all sucked in the corner, and the crumbs are gonna be like caught here, and then we can just like wipe it off. And then same on the other side. So that was a really good idea from Steven. So that's done, and I have his 20 spices over here that need to be reorganized and relabeled. Have been organized and relabeled, and I put them back in this like rolling stand, and it looks really good, and I hope that it helps Steven, you know, just like have easier access. And yeah, I'm just like really happy with it, and it was like such a fun project. And of course I color coordinated the seasonings. It doesn't have to stay that way, but I just had to do it. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly share that with you guys since I went ahead and finished it today. So I finished cleaning the kitchen, like all the appliances, and I finished up the fridge. So I'm now here in the master bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean everything in here and deep clean like the counter, and then also like the toilet area. And Steven actually went ahead and already cleaned the shower, so that's all good to go. Master bathroom has been cleaned, the counter, the mirrors, and the toilet over here is all clean, and I went ahead and just cleaned the tub as well. I had a very productive day for today as far as spring cleaning goes. I will continue with the rest of the house. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this cleaning and organizing vlog and got motivated to tackle cleaning your own space. Let me know in the comments if spring cleaning is a common practice in your culture and family too. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!